the new way to tell your story with Wix Harmony. Describe what you want, the feeling you're going for, and go from something that lives inside you to a site that lives everywhere. Sharpen your message, show off your craft, and make it yours. Watch the smallest detail transform the big picture, inspiring new ideas and turning your aha moments into momentum for a business that's ready to launch. You know where you came from. Use that to get to where you want to go. Create the way you think with Wix Harmony.